In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automations in ActiveCampaign. Whether you're new to automation or looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through setting up powerful automations with ease and precision. First things first, to access the Automations feature, look at your left panel and click on Automations. This will serve as the hub for creating and managing all your workflow automations. Once you're there, the next step is to click on Create an Automation. Here, ActiveCampaign offers you the flexibility to start from scratch, allowing for complete customization, or you can choose from one of the preset automations provided. The presets are great if you're looking for a quick setup or some inspiration on what you can achieve with automation. If you have selected an automation to begin with, you'll be taken into the automation editor. This is where the magic happens. A space populated with a flow diagram that details the steps and processes within your automation. In this editor, you have the ability to fully customize each step. You can add new nodes or remove existing ones, and you can adjust actions to tailor the flow to your specific needs. However, the crux of setting up a successful automation lies in properly configuring your triggers. The trigger is what sets your automation in motion and is typically the first node you see in your flow diagram. To configure this correctly, click on the trigger node. It's worth taking the time to understand and set this accurately, since a proper trigger setup ensures your automation springs to life at the correct moment. You have the flexibility to add multiple triggers if your workflow demands it, providing a layer of sophistication to your setup. After your trigger is all set, it's time to think about the actions you want to follow. To add these, you'll want to click the plus icon located under the trigger node. This opens up your options for actions, allowing you to select the specific responses and tasks you wish your automation to execute. It could be sending an email, updating a record, or any number of available actions that align with your goals. Once your desired actions are selected and configured, you've effectively created your first automation. Take a moment to review your flow, ensuring that each node serves its intended purpose and that transitions between actions are seamless. And there you have it. With these steps, you've crafted a powerful automation that works for you, enhancing efficiency and effectiveness in your tasks. Thank you for walking through this process with me, and I hope you feel more confident in creating your own automations in ActiveCampaign.